Hello again, welcome to part 2. I had my fun in part 1 and I am not entirely satisfied, so I am thinking that I am going to do some weird stuff, and I'm not sure what that weird stuff is going to be yet, but I'm going to start with finding some of the black cell activator and using my hairdryer to move some paint around. Because I can, and I like it better already. Now I'm going to do something different if I can. Yep, my airbrush is on. I think I'm going to use some white cell activator. I'm already happier with all of that. I'm inclined to grab some of, you know what, I have some purple. Ha! I have really just wanted to play like this for a while. It's sort of my version of balloon rolls, but not. I like that white in the original picture. I kind of want to take the purple and that Artist Loft cobalt blue and maybe some electric blue from Arteza too. That's an incredibly beautiful color combination, which I suspected. It makes me want to put more of it right there. There. Oh, I put black this time. Wasn't thinking about it. It's okay, it's a good experiment. I can see, I saw the yellow coming, so I went back and tried to save it, and I'm happy because this is really cool. There's a lot of stuff happening, it's true, but I'm liking most of it, and this is my opportunity right now to change and or correct things as far as colors go that I wanted to see in here. I just have to remember where I put them so I can get back to them in a minute. Now I'm going to try that purple again which is risky. If it were in a squeeze bottle, I'd be happier about it. Whoa. Come on, drip for me. I think I want a little bit of gold there too. Why don't I move on over here so I can come back there in a minute. Throw what, some black on there? I think so. I know Karen cringes every time I say I'm going to add black. I'm really not trying to make blooming flowers or the look of blooming flowers. I definitely want some of this right up through here. And then I'm getting close to feeling like I might be done. I'm going to put a little more gold right there. I've changed my mind. I'm going to do white. I have not mastered this airbrush yet. I am definitely taking big risks. But I'm so enjoying the process, I can't tell you. This needs something lighter in it. I think that was the black cell activator. I know, I'm getting ahead of myself, but that's okay. Might wind up using a straw in a few places, like those few places. I often wonder how far away I can be. Maybe I'll just not do the straw at all. This would be a perfect painting to do balloon rolls. I wonder if I still have a balloon. Oh look, I have a balloon. It's got awful old. I can just put it right into any little gaps I see. I didn't even think about making kisses. I can do that too though. How about right here? I think I did destroy a few nice silly areas. That's some interesting texture. I actually really do like a lot of things about this. That's some Meeden black, and I like, it's sort of a focal point, I guess. Not sure how much time I have left. I love that I can unearth all kinds of colors. I see a little bit of canvas here, and I don't really want to. Alright, I think a little more black and I will be good. I say that, but you cannot trust me. I definitely want some right in there. Might put some white with it too. Maybe some hot orchid. Put this board over here to try and keep my bottles in a place where I knew I wasn't going to run into them, and I'm not so successful. I think. That's an awful lot of black. I could balloon roll that again. And that. Ooh, and that. I like those black shapes. I'm getting a little muck. I might not want muck. Definitely use up the mucky balloon paint on the edges of the canvas. Somebody asked me to show the edges of the canvas, and I don't really think I can do that while I'm producing a painting without taking a chance on moving the paint. I like it from my direction so far, so I'm wondering. How about a little bit of that? And a little bit of that. Wow, that came out so even, it's just wrong. Alright, I got 2 edges done, and I should probably torch. But sometimes, what I really like to do, and a lot of people like to do, is leave little tendrils. And I will often add spirals, but I'm really happy with that. I mean, there's a lot going on, but I'm liking it. And I don't hate it upside down, which means I have a certain amount of balance. And just the edges to cover. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Please give me a thumbs up. If you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, it helps me the most of all. It's a really nice thing if you watch them when the notifications come out. It tells the YouTube algorithm that you think I'm special. I do torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Not that there should be very many at this point. I'm going to put some pink in right there. Or something. And right there. I hope your view is good. My view is pretty good. I could have gone with some chain. I got all kinds of texture in there from the cell activators. And no reason not to stick my fingers in if I want to. And enough little drips of paint to cover my edges. Okay, so I have Legallerist. It's the top link on the link tree, which is the first blue link under the video. A lot of times when actually it's the second blue link under the video when I put the tools video on how to make tools from acetate and bamboo skewers and duct tape, which is pretty simple. My email address is below the link tree. When you open Show More, you'll find my paint pouring recipe and my email address under the link tree, and my cell activator recipe. I think this is pretty exciting. I like it a lot. I could do all kinds of weird stuff. Someday soon, I'm going to use one of these stars. I have a bubble. I see that bubble. Goodbye, bubble. Alright, so that was fun. I didn't panic when it didn't make me happy. I just moved along. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on the link tree. Check out the monthly drawing. Prizes are at the beginning of the exhibition video shared with you on the end screens in the last 20 seconds of every video. My Amazon link is also on the link tree, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. My 2 books that I wrote are volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I want to thank you guys for all the love and appreciation and all the comments that keep my morale boosted. And all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. It really looks like a mess from up here, but I bet it's beautiful. Once I get it dry, you'll be able to see. Yeah, it's a wild one, but it was fun. Wild and fun. I just move around in there. Probably a very unconventional way to do this, and not something anybody should ever try to repeat. Except for to do your own thing your own way, which I totally encourage. I'll say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. I'm sure I forgot something. Over 2,100 videos. Can't forget those. Going on 2,200 videos. Yay! Organized by topic, genre, and by the 100. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me. I'm happy to help you. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And my email address is the place to contact me if you're interested in purchasing an artwork with the hashtag and file number from the title. Other than that, I will see you guys anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell again in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I love you. See you. I'll see you anon.